Hey beauties, it's your girl Sil. I'm back with another cooking with Sil segment. If you know me personally, you know I cannot fry food, honey. At one time I didn't even buy cooking oil because I am not good at frying. I don't think I let the grease get hot enough, and I think I just take it out the pan. But I just had a taste for some crunchy chicken. So I'm gonna try to make some crunchy wings. Okay, so don't judge a girl because I really don't know how to fry good. But I could cook. But I don't know about the frying part. It ain't too good for you anyway. But come along with me. If this is something you are interested in looking at the outcome, because y'all know I'm gonna give y'all the real when it comes to how it tastes and how it came out, then keep watching. Okay, guys, so if you look here, you can see all the ingredients that I used. I used the same ingredients for the chicken as well as for the dry compound of it, which is going to be the flour and the cornstarch, and then I put the seasoning in it. And for the wet compound, I'm going to use an egg with hot sauce and mustard. So I seasoned up the wings. I put those wet ingredients in, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes. While that was sitting, I cut up the potatoes because I'm gonna make mashed potatoes and broccoli with it. I'm not gonna go through all of that because the main thing that we are wondering about is gonna be the fried wings. So let's get started. Well, first of all, I gotta let the grease get hot. See, that's the problem. That's why I always mess up, because I'm rushing. I like quick meals, so I'm always rushing and mess up the chicken or whatever it is I'm frying. So, oh, I think I hear something popping. Let's get started. Y'all see how crispy it is? I did it, y'all. All right, let's do a taste test. Okay, so we're gonna do a taste test. I did 2 batches, so I'm gonna taste the first batch. Okay, let's see. You see, it's so nice and crispy. It should be cool. OMG, y'all! I think I did it. I did it. I did it. You could taste the seasoning. Yo, y'all can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Oh my God. I did it. I finally did it. Now the wings, I set the timer for 15 minutes, but at 10 minutes, it was floating at the top. So I do know that they say that means it's done. They ain't never lied. It tastes good. I did it, y'all. I did it. Your girl did it. Thank you for going with me on this journey. I am so excited. I'm about to tear this up with some homemade mashed potatoes and some broccoli. And your girl is happy. I'm happy. Okay, I finally got it. And I got a deep fry and everything that I use, but I still was taking it out. It just wasn't right. But girl, God. Yo, I'm in there like swimwear. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share the video. Leave a comment. What ingredients do you use to make your chicken crispy? Excuse me. And as always, thank you for watching. I'm about to enjoy my meal. I hope you had a great meal today too. See you soon, guys. Bon appetit.